Good morning, children. This is Mrs. Anjum Aleem from Springfields School, Masabtank, biology teacher for class 8. Children, today we are going to start with lesson number 10, not for drinking, not for breathing. Not for drinking means contaminated water and not for breathing means contaminated air. Yes, you are right. We are going to learn about the water pollution and air pollution, environmental pollution. Now I would like to mention here that we have discussed in our last video lesson number 6 and 7, 8, 9 are deleted. So I will be doing lesson number 10 and 11. Now before starting the lesson, I would like to ask your observation. Sometimes when we go out, we see people getting their vehicles checked for the pollution. That is called as the pollution checkup, and they will get the certificate, pollution certificate. So their vehicles should be free from pollution, because whatever emissions are coming out from the vehicles are very harmful, like carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. So that has to be get tested. So pollution under control certificate has to be taken. Everyone needs to get their vehicles checked by that vehicle pollution testing van. Now children, before starting that, you should also know that what is pollution. Pollution is any undesirable change in physical, chemical or biological characteristics of air, water or soil. Anything that is harmful to the environment is pollution. Litter, car exhaust, motor oil, smoke, chemicals, mobile phone, computer, etc. all can have impact on our health and environment. Now, just for your knowledge, how many types of pollutions are there? Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution. So we will deal in detail with the air pollution in this lesson and also water pollution in my next video. What are pollutants? Pollutants are the substances which contaminate the environment. Main pollutants are suspended particulate matter, carbon monoxide, excessive carbon dioxides, and oxides of sulfur and nitrogen, CFC means chlorofluorocarbons, and heavy metals. These are the pollutants. So we mainly describe the pollutants as the 6 types: ground level ozone, lead, sulfur dioxide, particulate matter, nitrogen dioxide and carbon monoxide. These are the 6 types of the pollutants. Now coming to what is air pollution. Air pollution is the contamination of air by impurities which may have harmful impacts on the living organisms and the non-living components of the environment. Yes. So whenever the air becomes contaminated with impurities, it will have the harmful effect on the living and the non-living components. So you know, air pollution in lower classes we have studied, it is due to the industries, factories and automobiles and many other things that we will deal now. Now children, pollutant emissions can be natural, mobile, stationary or area. Now this is for your general knowledge. Even the lightning causes the pollution, volcano eruptions causes, forest fire causes the pollution, industries causes the pollution, the decay and the dead matter causes the pollution, they releases the gases, decay of the organic matter, and even the fertilizers and the pesticides, they also cause the pollution. So all aeroplanes, they also cause the pollution. So all these are the different causes. So we will now explain the natural activities which causes the air pollution. What are the natural activities? The natural activities that causes the air pollution are forest fire. They release the carbon particles, ashes into the air and pollute the air. Second one is volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions releases various gases and ash into the atmosphere. Decay of organic matter releases ammonia gas into the air. Third one. Fourth is the decay of organic matter lying underwater releases methane gas into the air. So whenever decomposition takes place by the bacteria, they releases the gases into the atmosphere, thereby causing the air pollution. And the last one is the pollen grains released by the plants remain floating in the air and pollute the air. You know, many people are allergic to the pollen grains. Now these are the images of forest fire, volcano eruption, decomposition, decay of the organic matter, and the pollen grains suspended in the air. Let us now see the effects of the air pollution. It can affect the nature, it can cause the acid rain, smog, and the global warming. Living organisms, see, in nature we get the acid rain, smog, and global warming. In living organisms who are affected are human beings, animals, and plants. So how we are affected also we will see in the next answer. First, let us learn few slogans on the air pollution. Stop being mean, keep the air clean. Stop air pollution before it causes health degradation. Find the answer to set an end to air pollution. Pollution is unfair. Plant as many trees to breathe clean air. It is clean air. If you plant each day one tree, it will make your life pollution free. Less air pollution is the answer to a healthy life solution. Sometimes they ask in the exam to write the slogans on pollution. Learn few of them. Now we will see what are the human activities that are causing the air pollution. Number one is the burning of fossil fuels. Yes, we often observe people using fuels for cooking, for automobiles. They produce the pollutants like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, smoke, soot, and ash, thereby causing the air pollution. The second one is the vehicles' exhaust gases. Emitted by motor vehicles pollute air by producing the harmful pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, unburnt hydrocarbons, lead compounds, and soot. So we have to see that we use the catalytic converter in our vehicles, which will convert the carbon monoxide, which is more poisonous than carbon dioxide. So we have to convert the carbon monoxide into the carbon dioxide by using the catalytic converter in our vehicles. Industries also have a bad impact on the environment. They also cause the air pollution. The industries which are involved in polluting the air are agriculture, food and forestry, chemical production and distribution, generic chemical rules, electrical utilities, energy engines and combustion, foam, fiber, plastic and rubber products, metals production, and mineral processing, that is mining. Now the next human activity is the nuclear power plant. They use uranium as fuel. The process of mining uranium releases high amounts of carbon dioxide into the environment. Carbon dioxide is also released into the environment when new nuclear power plants are built. Finally, the transport of radioactive waste also causes carbon dioxide emissions. Actually, whatever waste is coming out of the nuclear plants has to be handled with care. They are very, very poisonous and harmful, in addition to the radiations that come out from the nuclear plant. The next human activity is the use of fertilizers and the pesticides. You can see in this how the farmers, just to protect their crops from the pests and insects, they use the pesticides and the insecticides. They are called as the agrochemicals. Agrochemicals are the chemicals that are used in agriculture as pesticide, fertilizer, soil conditioner to make the soil fertile also. These are the substances which are fertilizers are the substances which are used to increase the nutrient amount in the land. It increases the rate of crop production. So fertilizers to make the soil fertile, and pesticides and insecticides to kill the pests and the insects, all are harmful to the environment. The most commonly used compounds are fertilizers are of phosphorus, nitrogen and potassium, NPK we call it as. NPK fertilizers. The next human activity causing the air pollution is the deforestation. It is the destruction of forests and woods. It has resulted in the reduction of forest. Forests now cover only 19% of the land surface, Earth's land surface. Plants use carbon dioxide for the process of photosynthesis. Now, because there are no forests left over, the level of carbon dioxide is increasing day by day, and that is resulting in the global warming and the melting of glaciers. Another important aspect that we should consider here is what causes the ozone depletion. Ozone depletion is also one of the cause of the air pollution. Here, chlorofluorocarbons, which are released from the refrigerator emissions and the air conditioner emissions and the aerosol cans, they actually causing the holes in the ozone layer. Thereby, the ultraviolet rays are reaching the earth and causing the pollution. The last one is the mining. Mining causes the soil erosion, loss of biodiversity. The chemicals released from mining activities cause contamination of soil, groundwater, surface water. Dust from mining causes the air pollution. In this way, mining practices cause air, water, soil and noise pollution. Remember children, mining means to extract the metals. Now this table is of pollutants and their sources. It is there in your textbook on the page number 163. Kindly go through it. Common pollutants and their sources, like suspended particulate matter. It is coming from automobile, power plants, industries. Chlorine is coming from the sea salt production, dechlorination. Fluoride is coming from fertilizer, ammonium refining. Sulfur dioxide from the power plants and the sulfuric acid manufacture. Lead is coming from the ore refining, battery manufacturing. And oxides of nitrogen are coming from again automobiles, power plants. Peroxyacetyl nitrate, PAN, that is secondary pollutant. Formaldehyde is also secondary pollutant. Ozone is secondary pollutant. Carbon monoxide from automobiles. When the fuels are incompletely burnt, then the carbon monoxide is released. Hydrogen sulfide, pulp and paper petroleum refining, they come from there. Hydrocarbons come again from automobiles. Ammonia comes from the fertilizers and the degradation of the dead animals, decomposition. Okay children? Now here I would like to talk to you about the Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world. Children, Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It is located in Agra and it is made up of the white marbles. But the effect of pollutant on it has become a matter of concern for archaeologists and environmentalists. Motor vehicles and the industries located in the area around the Agra for rubber processing, chemicals, iron foundries, Mathura oil refinery have been responsible for producing pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, smoke, dust, soot. These gases react with the rain to form the acid rain, and the acid rain corrode the marble of Taj Mahal. So children, it is a matter of concern that we should save the wonder of the world. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. So we should control the pollution. Now coming next, a very important point, how can we control the air pollution? Yes, the steps taken to control the air pollution are as follows. We should actually, tall chimneys should be installed in all the factories to reduce the air pollution at ground level. Reduce the air pollution by using non-polluting fuels like CNG, compressed natural gas. Use LPG, liquid petroleum gas, for domestic use so that the fuels are burnt completely. And improve the quality of fuels in the automobiles and use the catalytic converter. Make use of renewable alternative source of energy like solar energy, wind energy and hydro energy. Plant and grow more and more trees in your surroundings so that more of the carbon dioxide is absorbed by the plants and more oxygen is released by them during the photosynthesis. So today we have seen definition of pollution and pollutants, causes of air pollution, natural disasters causing air pollution, human activities that causes the air pollution, common pollutants and their sources, step taken to prevent the air pollution, and the case study of Taj Mahal. Now today's homework is define air pollution, explain the natural activities which causes the air pollution, and any 5 slogans to control the air pollution. Children, when I say homework, I mean that you complete your classworks from the PDF. You can write these 3 questions. Whenever the video comes, you can complete the questions and thus complete your notes. I hope the concept was interesting and also easy to understand. You all enjoyed watching this video. Thank you very much.